Kia ora, Wellington. Another day of no new COVID cases around the country and 96% of all cases recovered. Fantastic news. Things are slowly coming back to life across our country under Alert Level 2, and it's really great to see our city reawakening day by day. People are out enjoying the lovely weather, and retail stores, cafes and restaurants are opening their doors again. Let's get out and support them. People seem to be having a real spring in their step. I must say it felt pretty good and a little bit strange at the same time, going into the office on Monday for the first time in nearly 2 months and seeing people for real rather than over Zoom. Bars will also be reopening from tomorrow, which will provide another boost to our social lives and to our economy. Wellington is, of course, world famous for its bars and breweries, and I know punters will be looking forward to revisiting their favourite local, as will the business owners. We still need to be really careful and to maintain good hygiene and distancing. So to help that, we'll temporarily close Courtney Place to traffic for safety reasons this Friday and Saturday night. We're closing the road in both directions from Cambridge Terrace to Taranaki Street between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. to allow for physical distancing if needed. We'll reassess the situation after the weekend. You may have noticed that businesses around the city are displaying QR codes to help with contact tracing, and people are being asked to scan the codes with their smartphone on entry. As I've mentioned before, the council has partnered with the Ripple app, which we're using at our sites and helping make available to Wellington businesses and organisations. The uptake has been huge, with more than 550 businesses registering so far and nearly 30,000 downloads. It was interesting to hear Dr. Ashley Bloomfield, who's also been using Ripple when he buys his morning coffee, speak about the official government contact tracing app at his briefing today. We welcome that app too, which can be used across the whole country. It works similarly to Ripple in terms of putting privacy first, and the two apps will complement each other, as Dr. Bloomfield pointed out. In other news, we have held the first 2 of 5 ward-based consultation webinars on Monday. These have a particular focus on the annual plan and parking policy, but also include a great Q&A session with myself and local councillors on questions raised by the audience. These are proving a great way to talk to people when COVID restrictions prevent holding public gatherings. We've had lots of great feedback so far. Many people are loving getting information and having the feeling of personal interaction without having to leave their homes. I'm certainly enjoying the opportunity, and I'm delighted that so many people are joining us. We had around 70 people attending the Southern Ward event on Monday night, with over 100 live questions for the panel. Next up is Lambton Ward tomorrow evening, followed by Eastern on Friday morning and the Onslow Western on Saturday morning. I encourage you to register on the council website, where we're also publishing videos of the webinars so far and answers to the questions. I want to finish by saying a huge well done, everyone, on how well you've all responded to all the COVID restrictions. Staying home, staying local, keeping separate, following the hygiene rules, all of this helped us get this far, and we kept each other safe. We're not done yet, but we are in a far better place than most countries, and all of us can feel proud of playing our part. He waka eke noa. We are all in this together. Thank you, everyone. I'll be back with another update soon.